And all the focus that was there right through the day today on the cricket, there is another big story, and it is a tragedy that unfolded in Andhra Pradesh this morning. A holy dip at the banks of the river Godavari on the opening day of the Pushkaram festival turned fatal for many. The stampede in Rajamundry has claimed at least 27 lives, injuring 20 others. Once again, it raises the big question: do our governments ensure adequate safety measures ahead of religious bathing festivals that draw in lakhs of crowds?
The Godavari Pushkaram festival returned to Andhra Pradesh's Rajamundry after 12 years. But this scene of revelry soon gave to a picture of desolation after over 25 people lost their lives in a tragic stampede. The festival turned tragic after massive crowds of devotees thronged the banks of the Godavari river to take the holy dip. As the death toll mounted, the Chief Minister rushed to take stock of the unfolding tragedy.
ఇప్పుడు నేను అన్ని శ్రద్ధలు తీసుకుంటాను. అవసరమైతే 11 రోజులు ఇక్కడే ఉండి ఇది జయప్రదమయ్యే వరకు.
సార్ ఎక్కువ క్రౌడ్ ని మనం పెద్ద ఘాటు కట్టుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఆ ఘాటుకి వెళ్ళేలా చేయండి సార్.
చేస్తాను.
In fact, the stampede broke out only hours after Naidu and his family bathed in the river early this morning. While the Prime Minister condoled the loss of life, the deadly tragedy acquired political dimensions, with the state opposition pouncing on the TDP government.
It happened because of government failure. It is the administrative side, absolutely they failed. And 100% responsibility has been taken by our Chandrababu Naidu.
Over 25 pilgrims' lives snuffed out in a matter of minutes. As Andhra mourns its loss, the question is, have religious festivals become death traps for devotees? With T.S. Sudhir in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.